Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a video. I'm just going to show you how to purchase a fractional share on Wealthsimple. I'm going to do this on my TSLA trade portfolio. If you are new to the channel and aren't following yet, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, follow along. I'm taking my Wealthsimple portfolio from $0 all the way up. The goal is $100,000. It'd be great to have you follow along, getting a great community here. So thanks to everybody that has subscribed. Let's just go in and jump in and do that fractional share purchase. This is something that was released from Wealthsimple just earlier this week. I do have a video on my channel kind of explains this a bit more, but basically is the best way to go in is to go in and do the search. There's actually a thing that pops right up, says fractional trading. There's right now 14 stocks, Tesla, Apple, but the one we're going to be buying today, I want to get for the TFSA portfolio, is TD Bank. This is one that I've been wanting to buy for a while now, and I have a bit of extra funds on the portfolio. So what I'm going to do is, it notifies here fractional shares are available. So what I'm going to do is you hit buy, and we're going to do this on my TFSA, and clicking on, we're going to do fractional buy. And what this does is we have available to trade 2103. So we're going to do the full amount and hit continue. And this will get filled at the end of the day. Fairly simple to do. The only thing to know about is this only works on your mobile device. It doesn't work on Wealthsimple, the web version of your trade yet. I'm gonna assume they're gonna probably add that at a later date, but pretty easy to head into the app. It's a great way to build positions in stocks that are a bit more expensive. For the first one, or also too, if you have sometimes when you're getting dividends, you only have a few, you get a few pennies or you get a couple of dollars, you can buy into a fractional share for the minimum price of $1. So it's a great way to kind of use up some funds, put those funds that are in your cash account, put them to work. Thanks for watching, everybody. Like I said before, thanks for following along. We've got some great subscribers here. I appreciate all your comments. And if you have a question about fractional trades, let me know down in the comments below. I'm not a financial planner by any means, but if I can help you out, I will try and help you out. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video.